Good morning, everybody. What's good? Sorry for the delay. In crypto, we had some very interesting price action over the weekend. I will start off the stream with I was wrong. Thought we'd see a little bit more of the punishment over the weekend with that strong Friday close. Things were looking real spicy. But as the way the spice goes, sometimes it's too spicy. Bitcoin, let's take a quick peek here. Settling up its week at 44K after a touch to 45K, within 10% of our 48K target. Things looking pretty good until last night. I don't know about you guys. I did not sleep great based on how many alerts were going off on my phone. We're going to take a look at the damage here. Is the bull run over? Was that it? We'll try to answer that. Are altcoins done rallying? We're going to take a look. We have a bunch of them pulled up today, the ones that are looking hot. We have Ethereum, INJ, TIA, BONK, AVAX. I've got PITH, HBAR, XRP. What else are you guys looking at? I heard some BNBs in chat. Heard some other stuff. We're going to take a look at those. I am going to update you on the live trades. I've made some changes. Some things we've done in the past, not feeling so stupid now. We'll take a closer look at that in just a little bit. Biggest gainers. Let's look at these biggest gainers. Real fast here. A bunch of stuff I've never heard of. Got to go down here. GALA, I guess they have another coin, but VThor, the only one I even recognize on this list, sitting there at a 36% gain. Anything on the loser side? Not really. I don't really recognize any of this. Bunch of gibberish. There's Octopus Network. Not an endorsement of Octopus Network. Just catches my eye now. I saw it. Saw it on the last stream. See it on this one. It was the biggest loser. Now it's the biggest gainer. Let's look at the damage. Let's look at the damage, boys. Let's start a poll, actually. We need a poll. We need some sentiment here. Need the sentiment. What up, guys? I'm getting started. It's Monday. It's a slow grind, you know. Monday, got to get the gears turning. Let's do Bitcoin sentiment poll. Smash thumbs up, yeah. Let's do that. Fear, greed, neutral, easy. Easy. Vote in the poll. Hit the likes. Let me get through some of this content. I'm going to do about 5 minutes here. Bitcoin, I'm going to jump to the chat. So let's zoom out and look at the yearly. This is our ultimate trading tool. This is our little secret. Whenever we have a big move to the upside or downside and we're feeling a little compelled by those emotions, we zoom out. We look at, say, the yearly time frame. Go bigger. The crazier the move, go bigger. But on the year here, almost to 46K, within 46K margin of error on that rally at 45. This sell-off represents just this tiny little wick up here. Right there. That's it. All that fear, all those emotions right here in this little wick. I still think Bitcoin hits 46 to 48K this year. I think it seems on track. 20 days left. That seems just fine. Little pit stop here today. I'll take it. On the month. Not a bad looking monthly. Not a bad looking monthly. Still green. Let's mark this on our chart. 37.7 open of the month. Trading above that, monthly still green. Not a lot of issue. Nothing to really be worried about. The week, let's mark out our week. Boom. 39.98 start of the week. Still with this sell-off of over 10%. At least I think it's over 10%. Still unable to totally take back last week's gains. So far, you got to do better than that, market. You're not going to spook me. You got to do better than that. On the day, I left this up during the loading screen. What do you guys think of this? Channel might be a little bit fit, but the concept is very exciting for the bulls out here. At the moment, we have been following, or we're following, an ascending parallel channel. Broke to the upside, reached 45K, and where did we come back to? Roughly the top of that channel. Just as we've been talking about, as we had talked about many a time when we were in the channel, that we were essentially looking at probability and saying, well, this looks like it will break to the downside. However, Sometimes the less probable outcome happens. And in that case, what do we expect to see? We expect to see a break to the upside and a back test of that channel before moving higher. This is still where I am at. This is still what I'm looking for, at least for now. Things get a little sketchier, a little lower, and especially today, this is my really simple take for you guys. Closing today, up here is fine. That's a nice bottom wick. Things look good. Higher is obviously better. 43.8 or the daily open where we dumped from, even better. And new highs, clearly better than that. But at the moment, not really a risk. Not really threatening to what's going on here. Looking at our fib retracement, this wick brought us right into that 0.52618 area that we look for virtually every move to retrace to. Right there. Easy. Good. That's as low as 39,682. Not too bad. Not too bad. I will take it. Let's take a look at some of these indicators. Let's throw up LuxAlgo. What does it think about the day? Ooh, no surprise. LuxAlgo not liking this daily candle. I don't think anybody really did. Actually, that's what the poll should have been. I'm going to change that. Shouldn't be how are you feeling. Although, it's good to see most of you feeling neutral. 50% with already 100 votes in a minute. Feeling neutral. I'm going to put up another one. This is actually better. Oh, wait, hold up. Bitcoin. Did you buy the dip? Yes. No. Waiting for more dip. Or no. Wasn't looking for a dip. There you go. Were you waiting for this dip? Did you buy the dip? There we go. New poll. A lot of people have been waiting for dips. In fact, we've heard this virtually all year with people sidelined. When can I get back in? What's going to happen? Is Bitcoin going to go up forever? No, nothing goes up forever. Everything moves up and down. Nothing moves just one direction, except for very, very fleeting periods of time. People have been looking to get in, re-enter since 16.5, I would say, at the start of this year. Waiting for that pullback. Is this it? Did you buy it? Is this the pullback? If you're waiting for dip, if you're a dip fan, is this the dip? It's certainly a sizable dip. It is certainly what we look for here. If you guys have been tuned into the last multiple streams, probably caught me talking about what pullbacks or what entries look like when a market is bullish. And this is a really great example, provided it stops here. Obviously, if it continues selling, not great. But this is what they will look like. So whether or not this is or isn't one, we can't be sure, but we can be sure that they will look like this. And the more kind of emotional, the more compelled we are by price action. In my opinion, that's a better confidence that it's going to hold. This is what they're going to look like. They're not going to be calm. They're not going to be gentle. They're not going to be friendly pullbacks that bleed over, bleed off to support, bounce perfectly and go higher now. Nope. It's going to look like this. Up, 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 and right as you think it's only possible it can go up more, these nice wicky downside candles. And when we talk about these, we say really the important part of them is that they get bought back up. Now, obviously today would be the best timing for it to be bought back up, but it is not necessary for it to be today. Could be by the end of the week, and it could even be by the end of the month. Doesn't even have to necessarily be quick. Quicker is better. If we can close this day green today, I bet we see above 45K tomorrow. If we close down here, we probably meander on back to what, 30, 43, 8, top of the daily, fill that fair value gap. We'll see what happens there. That's about right. Let's go down a little bit. That 12 hour looks awful. Not a good looking 12 hour. LuxAlgo short on it, of course. RSI, kind of interesting here, being pulled down really heavily by the sell-off. That's what you do want to see. I like that. What I don't like, we do have bearish divergence on our highs. That's visible on the day, 12 hour. I don't believe it's on the weekly, but it is visible on our lower time frames. And that could be an argument to why we saw this red candle today. I don't think I would be totally satisfied with that answer, but could be an argument. 6 hour looking a little bit better. Maybe some upside coming our way today or in the next 24 hours. 6 hour painted a nice little order block. I'd like to see a close above and invalidate that 42. If not, likely to see resistance there on a retest. Let me go down to really, really low time frames. Let's see. I'll take it from here to here, maybe. No. There we are. There we are. Interesting. So we already hit our 618 retracement right off the bat. You can see we wicked down right back to that 618. Great. Boring. Okay, we'll do it this way. I like the confluence right here, 41.1. Interesting, interesting. Let me go for these low time frames. Sorry, I got more into this than I expected. I didn't really look at the charts much. I just couldn't sleep well. 5 minute looks like dog. 15 minute looks like dog, but could be getting better. Yep, underneath that resistance. 30 minute looking pretty dog. Wow, not a lot of goodies on the lower time frames. Not a lot of goodies. 41.1 looks pretty solid. That looks pretty solid for potential entry. 1 hour just bleeding off here on the money flow, not looking hot. Come on, give me something good. RSIs. This is what catches my eyes. These RSIs, especially in low time frames, are just hammered. Absolutely hammered to the downside. Like nuked. All the way down and oversold. Having trouble finding them bounces. Let's do it like this. That looks pretty likely today. We'll see how that plays out. Put alerts. We got other charts to look at. All right, that took me way longer than I wanted to. Sorry, fam. Let me get to that chat. All right, reloading the chat, guys. Sorry if I missed your messages. You know what to do. If you're here today on Monday, this is the first time I'm looking at it. So if anything you said, I didn't see it. First time on Monday. If you're here, let me know. I see a bunch of names. Let's shout them out from the other direction, the reverse alphabetical. We always do alphabetical. I see Venom Hex. How you doing, brother? How you enjoying that subscription? Tonzi Norman, Thomas, Anna Swigs. Can't say that name, but it's a great first name. Handsome. How you doing, False Flags? Good to see you, brother. Sticks 96, Scorpa, The Pickle, my man. Ricardo, Ruva Kaba, Raffo, Nicholas Arena, Mike Snyder, Merlin, Matthew Miller. Loading name Kevin, Deli, Coley, Crypto Junkie Juan, Joseph Valdez, Jonah, Japernicus, John Johnson, Jack and a Crack, Harry Gear, French Toaster, Foxy Thorny, Fossil Shaquille, Faden, Tradfi, doesn't matter to me, David Krappenschitz. How you doing, David? Derek Merrill, Crypto needs Red Bull. Yes, it does. So do I. Crypto shaped consequences. Coins Chick, the lovely Coins Chick. When's your next article coming out, darling? Christopher Stars, Car for Coin, Bahavid, Ashley Day, Jagar. How you doing, Ashley? Archer 82 and Ace of Hearts. That's quite a few names. Who else is here? Smash it. Mama Jedi, how you doing, darling? Good to see you. Vicious Teletubby. I don't want to run into that guy. I don't want to run into that guy in a dark alley. A vicious Teletubby. I'll take that. You're here, Carrie? Good. I need my COD. Watoshi, how you doing, man? How you doing? Curb Shifter. 07, I don't know what that means, but 07 to you. Steph Mees, Arun, Leo Goddess. How you doing, Leo? Andruska, how you doing, bruh? You sounded like you said Ace of Farts. Ace of Farts it is, man. Had a few beverages last night. I might be the Ace of Farts today. What's up, Save with Crypto? Shirley Sound, Rigo. Clicker, what's cracking, man? Gabe, how you doing, Gabe? How's the weather? Crypto Z. Had to get food out of the oven. What'd you miss? Nothing. Did nothing. I'm moving slow today. It's Monday. I'm moving slow. You don't want him to run into, oh, Gina, meet me out back. Meet me outside. How about that, Gina? Gina's boyfriend. How about that? Urban KO, how you doing, man? Eagles fan. Puking from the stomach flu. Dang. Take care of yourselves, guys. It's that kind of year. That time of the year. Take care of yourselves. Your health is important. What's up, SHD? Josh Kennington. Yo. French Toaster from the Kindle Mafia. Shout out to Frankie Candles, my boy. Dr. Crypto, happy Monday. Johan V. How you doing, guys? Is anybody here? I love asking this. This is my favorite part of streaming over the last few weeks. Is anyone here a new viewer? Meaning today, right now, in this moment is the first time you've ever seen our content live. Anybody? Could you let us know in the chat? Just say, hey, this is my first time here. Could you also include how you found it? Was it suggested? Was it on your homepage? Was it in search? Did you just wake up after a dream about someone named Tom Crown, type it into Google and find us? Ooh, lots of new people. SHD, new viewer. Welcome, my friend. Your cat's a new viewer? Well, welcome. What's up, Pishta? You're not a new viewer. Pickle Rick. How you doing, Pickle Rick? I'm Pickle Rick. Hey, did you see the Bitcoin picture on X? I did not. Ace of Hearts. What is that? Ace of Hearts. Haha. New viewer. Andres, new viewer. Mr. I can't read that, but Mr. Paul Nigu. Filippo A. Johnny O. We got a lot of new viewers. Hell yeah, guys. John Johnson. 4th stream. All right, so you're like an OG already. What's up, Hassan? I feel like your name's familiar. Dan. Paul Bear Network. That was a pretty good interview looking back, isn't it? This is a pretty good interview. What's up, Abandoned Baby? After searching for F-Boy, well, look me up in the Wikipedia. Look me up in the dictionary, bro. You'll find it. Crypto Pup. Who else? Cut the BS. How did you find it? Recommended after searching Bitcoin? Cool. Awesome. Well, it's good to see we're not shadow banned. We're one of the few channels to ever have a confirmed manual shadow ban. This was in 2019. Good to hear we're not with new viewers coming in. Love it. I love the energy that you guys are bringing. It has been a hella long, brutal bear market. 2022 was the worst price action for crypto I've ever seen. If you made it through, salute to you, my friend. Well done. If you've made it here to this stream, you're probably going to make it. Probably going to make it. For all the new people here, here's what I want you to know. One, I'm just a normal guy. I love trading. I'm obsessed with crypto. Likely how many of you are or have been in the past. Maybe you're just discovering that now. That's me. Just a normal guy. Went to college, got a degree worth nothing. Did a bunch of sales jobs. Didn't work out. Finally had unemployment. Got to say, hey, what do I want to do with my life? And at the moment, that was an obvious answer, crypto. But 5 years ago, there weren't really crypto jobs. So what did I do? I made a YouTube channel because I hated all the content I found on YouTube. I thought it wasn't helpful. I thought it was just clickbait for the sake of clickbait. Not valuable, not helpful. And that's what we have done and what we strive to do here is to create a community that can offer you value, safety, and just maybe companionship on your journey through this crypto space, man. If you're new to crypto, yeah, picked a hell of a time to enter. Cheers to you, better than mine. But please don't take what I say as financial advice. Do not blindly copy what I say or do. You will lose money. But what you can do, and I give you permission, is to take any value that I offer you, no matter what it is, and use it to your own advantage, to your own trading edge. I challenge you to join our Discord. It's free. Join our Discord. See what it feels like to be in a community of crypto people if you haven't. It's big stuff. It's big stuff. It's important. Your family, your friends are not going to understand. We do. That's it. All I do is look at charts, get hype about crypto, be bullish. That's it. That's our channel. We're one of the few channels on YouTube to never accept a penny to promote any kind of investment. Why? Because how is that helpful to the viewers? The viewers are not the product. They're not. I want you guys to succeed because if you don't succeed, how can I share my passion with you? I can't. I think we're just going to leave Bitcoin here for a little bit. It's chilling. I've got alerts set, but it's just chilling here. Not a great signal. LuxAlgo on the daily, giving us that bearish signal. We haven't really gotten one like this. I mean, I guess maybe November 14th, somewhat similar. Actually, that's more similar than I assumed. So we had ascending channel. We popped up, started flagging, fell down, got the bearish signal, the trend change signal on LuxAlgo here, but it got bought back up. That's totally possible as well tomorrow. It's going to be interesting. If this is your first kind of early stage bull market, I would imagine you felt a little stress last night. I would imagine. This is just the way it goes. This is why being patient in our trades, using limit orders, trading spot. It's why these are such valuable and successful tools here in crypto. Being patient, Making the market come to you. These are topics we haven't gotten to rail about as much as I like to over the last 2 years. Let the market come to you. Use limit orders. You say, I want to buy Bitcoin at 38,000 or something. You can put a limit order there, set it, forget it, walk away. If it ever goes to 38,000, you get filled. Instead of what everyone wants to do when they start is see a green candle and buy it, right? Let the market come to you. Be like a rock in a river, right? You're moving a little bit, but really the tide is just moving you and you're just that constant there. Trading should be very zen. The less zen it is, the less successful it is. All right. All right. I love it. Hopefully some of the new viewers out there will forgive my lower energy today and return with us. We're live here virtually every day. Running on 5 years, baby. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum. So we have been looking at the exact same thing. I feel like a broken record on Ethereum. I'm looking for the exact same thing. This sell-off feels damaging. It feels crappy. But I've got a little secret for you. Doesn't really look too crappy, does it now? Let's throw the triangle tool. Flat-topped triangle. Right here. Clear resistance. Higher lows. Breakout. Where do we go? Right back. Right back to the previous support or resistance on the day. 21.3. Wicked. Holding above there. Crazy bullish for Ethereum. Sets up for 2,500 very quickly. I don't hate this. You have that same bearish divergence on your RSI highs. Of course, you don't like to see that, but that is just the way of things. It seems it's everywhere. Ooh, that 6 hour looks pretty shitty on Ethereum. LuxAlgo giving us the bear signal on virtually every time frame there. Not really what you want to see, but whatever. Let's look at our retracement. Boom. Wow, that is freakish. That is a freakish retracement. Higher low into our higher high, our 618. 2,137, 2,135 on the dot, right where that wick is. That would have been an excellent freaking position. We had this long, theoretically sitting here at 2,030. Maybe we weren't aggressive enough. We might have not been aggressive enough. Man, that looks so strong. I wish Bitcoin looked exactly like that. This is not quite the same pattern, right? Not quite the same pattern. A little more similarity if we zoom in for sure, but that looks way more similar when we zoom in. I guess the difference is looking at the day, that wick, Bitcoin not coming back. So let's kind of like use our imaginations here. And let's think of this chart if this was. Let's compare them. If Bitcoin had moved exactly the same as Ethereum, this is what I think we would see or would have seen. We have that same flat top structure back here. Our lows, higher lows, breakout. If Bitcoin had have followed Ethereum or made the exact same move, I think we would have seen it closer to 37.7 right now. You can see kind of that relative strength here as it taps the top of this channel and potentially holds it as support. Pretty good. Pretty good. Definitely putting an alert down here. You're really going to see a lot of bullish divergence on RSI today. These sell-offs ripped RSI down disproportionately to the price move. Provided we get no further move to the downside, you have some very strong bull div to build a bullish case around. Today's going to be the day, honestly. Today's just the day. Hold these lows and the market looks good. Don't hold these lows and, I mean, we just get round two of the dip, right? Round two of the dip. I think we hold support here on Ethereum. I think that we could even do something like this. Yeah, 2.25 to 1, not really the best risk to reward, but I think you could, I think hypothetically 2150 could be taken as a long, looking for a stop. Basically just at your lows to the left. You wouldn't want to see that higher low break before your higher high. That could be a decent stop. And just targeting 2500. And I think that that's That's decent. Patient trader could still be waiting for that 2K flat still as possible. That's quite a move. We're going to look at INJ next, but I want to see what you guys are doing. I'm trying to get better at multitasking. We got 340 votes. People are waiting for more dip. 50% are waiting for more dip. Excellent. Excellent. Yes, keep waiting for your dip. Keep waiting for your dip. It'll come someday. I'm just playing. Might be the smart move. Especially, shout out to you guys out there who saw this move happen and then my voice popped into your head. Of any time there's a strong move to the upside or downside, if you're feeling greedy or you're feeling fearful in that moment, to just take a break, walk away, and not make a decision. If that's the reason you didn't buy the dip, then kudos to you. You're Chad. You're right. That's the play, if that's what you did. Let's see. We're gonna look at INJ, but I want to read more of the chat. Gotta get better at multitasking. This chart is spicy though. Look at INJ. It's like already back to its all-time high. Its autopilot says smash the like button, and he's right. And he's right. Show some love. I'll show you some love. How you doing, bro? Watch the 200 SMA on the 1 hour today. Interesting. What's there? If you go to 38K, you will close the biggest trade of the year. What's that, John? A long? Wait, a short? This pullback is a gift. Huh? You're looking at it the right direction. Yeah. You're looking at it the right way, VZ Cat. Super USD, please. What is that, NB? Derek Merrill, 88. We'll look at Cardano for sure. Didn't quite hit my target, did it? Super was one of the 100 you bought last night. Put a 20 on it. A man after my own demeanor. Putting just a 20 on some moonbag. Hell yeah, well done. Starting to DCA everything in the top 100. That's careful. You don't want diversification is key, but too much diversification is just dilution. Dip, baby, dip. Come on. How you doing, Warren McCarty? Ryan Lavatt, buy the dip. Did you buy the dip? Don't trip. Buy the dip. Buy the dip. The man, Chair Tom, Jay Baker. That's a good reminder, guys. Wednesday. You will be here Wednesday. Say it with me. I will be here Wednesday. Because on Wednesday, we have the biggest FOMC meeting ever in the history of ever, as they all are. It's the last one for the year. It's going to be a banger. You don't want to miss that one. If you haven't caught any of the FOMCs lately, tune in for this one. Trust me, bro. Source, trust me, bro. Do it. It's going to be fun. I'm going to be doing my homework for it. Sure time. S&P looks like it's making a double top. We'll look at the S&P 500 in just a bit. Did you buy the dip? The origins of songs? Brother, I'm always buying the dip. All day, every day. All I do is stack sats. It's my whole life. Let's go, bro. How you doing, Up and Run? Harshad Patel. What's up, man? Shout out to BONK. Snake Degenerate says, Harshad. I'm going to look at BONK. We got BONK pulled up. I'm moving slow as hell. Sorry, fam. We've got AVAX pulled up. That's right, Pickle Rick. Let me update these trades quick. So, what was it? Closed that long. I closed half of my long on the 11th. No, today's the 11th. That was Rune. Closed half my long on the 10th. 44K. I didn't really feel good about it, but what did I do, guys? I've had a trading plan. Since the start of this year, that trading plan was to be long on leverage, to close those longs at 48K, and to slowly build into a short hedge at 48K, starting at 42, then 45, 48. Closed up. Piece of my long felt terrible, but now not looking so dumb. As price is down, still almost 10% from there. What else did I do? I reopened. Yeah, that's right. So this was 0.6 Bitcoin on the 10th. You guys saw me close 0.3 of it out, or I've shown you 0.3 of it closed out. So I closed half of it. I did reopen 0.1 of it right here. So I already am going back for that extra bite, that little extra greed. I did open that short as well at 43.4 while we were live, and that felt horrible also. Now in profit, 16%. Nothing really to write home about. But We're just going to keep them open, see how they go. The trading's been pretty good this year. Can we check link? Yeah, you probably can check link. Do you think 30K is possible? Anything is possible, my friend, if you believe. Will CME pump Bitcoin more after taking profits on S&P? I don't know. Let me pull up the S&P. See what the S&P is doing. I haven't even looked at stocks today. But you're bearish on this? You masks are bearish on that? Stocks just broke a major high. They just broke July's high. I mean, anything can happen, like I just said, and you could have that happen, but typically, that's a pretty bullish sign in stocks. Typically. Sick little uptrend there on the day. On the week. I don't know. I wouldn't bet against this. Whenever we see stocks moving, though, we always need to look at two other charts really quickly. Let's look at the dollar here real fast. Dollar not getting faded quite as hard as I had hoped. Still struggling, though. Still below resistance. Hasn't moved above 104. Interesting. We have a green day for stocks, a green day for the dollar, red day for Bitcoin. And something tells me a red day for gold. Let's see really quick. Gold. All right, perfect examples of blow off tops, everyone. Here we are. This is what we're afraid of in Bitcoin. I still don't believe we have this. This is what we're not looking for, hopefully, but looking for cautiously. Gold rallying to a new all-time high just last week. Closing after selling off from that all-time high, giving back all those gains, closing lower than the day it opened, hitting lower highs and moving lower. It is now bearish engulfed on the day off of that all-time high, on the week, and if it closes here on the month. That's what we need to look for. This is what we don't want to see on Bitcoin. A exaggerated rally to the upside that is very fast, very hot, and then closes like this. This will be quite a valuable warning sign for Bitcoin. If you spot that. We're gonna look at more alts. Bitcoin doing nothing. Let's go. INJ. So INJ, this is the reason I want to look at it. I don't know if you guys care about INJ. I don't think I own any, but INJ, we've had some good trades on it over the last, I don't know, few months. Solid trades. You guys took any of these? Well done. Congrats. Solid trades here, but what's more exciting than winning trades? INJ is almost back to its all-time high, sitting at $23.17, $25.30, its all-time high. That is not even a 10% move. Seemingly unfazed by this sell-off on the rest of the market, INJ pushing into and past its yearly high today, past resistance. And God, it kind of looks like it wants to hit its all-time high today, doesn't it? This is pretty beast moding. Hourly looks good. Interesting. Daily is like the only time frame I'm seeing that really looks solid to me, but I guess that's all you need, right? Guess that's all you need. How do I want to look at this? Let's go to moon math quick. We're going to do some moon math here. So if INJ does break its all-time high and enters price discovery, where do we look? We're going to look at our moon target. We're going to take our macro high to low. And we're going to look at our 1618. That's $171. That might be a little high for the short term, but let's see. Zoom into our local, do the same thing. There we are. Measure move puts you above the all-time high. Can't complain. Not a really exciting target outside of it being an all-time high. I don't know, man. What do you guys think of this? Why is it? What's going on here? I don't think anything life-changing is going on. But why are you going to an all-time high right now, INJ? What are you doing? Haven't you gotten the memo? You're currently at the highest potential monthly close here. Unless there's more history to INJ. But I don't think there is. That two-measured move at $500. Jeez. This just looks strong. I kind of wish I owned some back a long time ago. Maybe I do. I don't even know. If I do, it was some paltry amount. Paltry. Pathetic amount. I don't know. INJ, like, where are you gonna get the pullback? Pullback already happened. It looks like 25. Maybe you get a break of 25 and a retest. That's what I'd like to see. Maybe an entry at 25 bucks. We've got TIA pulled up and BONK and AVAX. We'll do AVAX next because I know you guys are looking at AVAX. Sol. Maybe we'll look at Sol after that. What should we look at after that? DOGE was looking so good, and then Meteor smashed by that rally, by that breakout. ADA. That'll be up. That'll be up after AVAX. What next? TAB BitF. I don't know what that is. What is it? What's up, King Peasant? George Gadwick. Pepe wants to dump? Probably. It's Pepe, bro. It's Pepe. Tia says, Pax. Chris Pax. Are you deep in the Tias? The Tia Momia? We're going to do AVAX first, though. This is what happens when you enter price discovery. You break your all-time high, you just start floating. We'll do AVAX first. So we've been looking for 50 to 60 something dollars on AVAX for quite a bit, actually before it even hit 30. We were looking for this move. AVAX has successfully moved past almost all of its resistance. This was huge. Huge, huge, huge. That resistance ran basically up to $30.89. It is trading over 20% above that. That's a great sign. So what's next? Well, we look at our chart. We take our high, we connect it to our low, and we look for our golden retracement. 60 bucks. Wait. Nope, my bad. Sorry, misspoke. The 618, the golden retracement, sits at $50. On the dot. $50.03. We're just going to call it 50 because that's more likely to play than $50.33 or whatever it is. Here we go. I'm looking for 50. 50 years old. All right. Looking for 50 at that 618. As there is no actual resistance there, though. That's kind of the issue. Usually there is. There isn't. That run-up could take as high as 64.50. I would be looking in this area. If I was in a leverage position that I've been holding too long, didn't feel great about, I'd look to get out at 50. Does not look like there's really resistance from right here at 36 all the way to 50, which is a huge range. It's a huge range, but... yeah, 36%. Huge range, but entering right here is also entering after a 100% move to the upside with virtually no pullback. Good bit of risk there. Be careful. You do have support, potentially at that $30.89 mark. I would say more confident, stronger support sitting at 23.72. That was our resistance. Higher lows broke out. Now you may move to 50, then to 23. Like, it may go like this, or it may go like this. Don't know, but I think $50 is on deck, and I would say likely before this lower resistance is or support is tested. I would say it's looking pretty good. Damn, we nailed this chart. We nailed this chart, boys. A lot of coins look like this. Kind of weird. That was, I assume this is the wick from Bitcoin and the rest of the market selling off, but a lot of them have these kind of odd hourly setups. Like, this is weird. I think we saw that as well right here. Yeah. Kind of on INJ as well, this wick down here. Just that, it really shook the market up. It really shook the market up. In a good way. I have been doing you all a disfavor here by not looking at AVAX BTC, and I apologize. I will never make that mistake again. Wow. AVAX BTC. Wow. Okay. Oh. Does look like it's about to run into a little trouble. AVAX BTC. A little bit. Not the end of the world. That is pretty, but it does, I don't know if maybe you guys see this too. It does look like it kind of wants to reach up to that 20 monthly / August's high 001. Yeah, very psychological, tasty price point for AVAX BTC 001. Didn't line up well. 001. That's coming. Beautiful. 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 I love it. AVAX has some gains to put on Bitcoin, I think, in the short term, even. Now that's about 11%, 14% to the upside against Bitcoin. I think that is very likely. I'm not sure what happens there, obviously. But you're right up against a weekly resistance. It's right where your 20 monthly is, or weekly, yeah, monthly is. You could blast through it, but I think more realistically, you take some kind of time to chill there. Let's flip it. This looks very right to me. Something like this. Like, you get this, and then maybe like that. What do you think? I think that looks pretty good. No matter how you slice it, this is putting on gains against Bitcoin. Look at these dailies. This is how you know you're winning. If this is your first bull run, you'll be lost in this concept. You know you're winning, though. You are only winning when you are outperforming Bitcoin. AVAX BTC right here shows us. Since October 25th, AVAX has gained against Bitcoin to the tune of 3x. It has gained about 3 times more to the upside than Bitcoin. Pretty cool. Pretty good stuff. I think we're heading to 0-1. If I was trading this pair, I would probably take my profits at 0-0-1. That is such a juicy number in BTC pairs. Let's look at Cardano. Look at Cardano, then we'll get back to the chat again. Blasting. Cardano blasted past 50 cents as we kind of suspected. Once we got the break of 41.6, it was time to go. Cardano agreed. It was time to go. Reach to 65. I still think you get 72. Let's see it. I'm going to be excited if this 1618 or measured move target, when I use this fib, hits right there. I'm going to be excited. There it is. That's pretty good. Take it. Take it. Looking at ADA 51.7. Where did that come from? Let's look at the month. Coming from the month, 51.7. That was, just as we were saying, the last. So similar to AVAX, all of your resistance. You've passed it. Now you have this void. You have this void above you. That could take you even to $1 on ADA in the shorter term. Not today, maybe, but like in the shorter term. Looking for $1, but I think 72 cents is a nice little pit stop on the way. You're above your monthly. Basically close the month above 51.7. Things are looking good. I do like that the weekly has kind of come back to test that a little bit on this sell-off. On the day you see it as well. Actually, this is kind of cool too. I think this is a tradable. This might be tradable. 59.5, your 618 retracement right here locally. I could see, even if today doesn't get bought up, tomorrow coming back up to that daily open, even if it wants to dump more. 59.5. Potentially, you could look to it, to short. You could target even 41.6, but I think 51.7 is probably the play. But that daily open is going to look pretty tasty to liquidity tomorrow, I have a feeling. This looks strong. ADA is going to 72 cents. Nothing's changed. Against Bitcoin, holy smokers, that's not bad at all. Let's go. I haven't looked at ADA BTC in a while. Let's see. You are right up here at where you fell from. Likely finding some resistance there. Quad is 0.135. Let's look at the bigger move though. I like that up here. 0.00283. Your 618, that's a pretty big upside. You do have, honestly, from the monthly, because this took so long, quite a few kind of areas where we might find resistance. Quad 02, Quad 0.15. This is starting to look good though. MACD waning selling momentum. for over a year. Finally looking to be exhausted. Even on the month, market side for B, we got money flow and VWAP coming up. I think ADA comes at least back to 0.00019. To be in line with everything else, probably looking for that 618 at 2831. That could imply a 50% move against Bitcoin, or even 120% move if you're aiming higher. That is not bad. That is money. That is money. All right. Let's see. Bitcoin following the doodle. Let me refresh the chat. Stream number 2 standing. I still love it. I'm a little hungover, but I'm pushing through. I'm doing all right. Trying to hide it. Let's see. 51% waiting for the dip with 500 votes. Hell yeah. Well done, fam. Hell yeah. BNB. Is BNB doing anything? Is BNB doing anything? For you, Eco? I'll pull it up. What's up, Ono Y2K? What's up, Coca-Cola? Did you say Litecoin? Did someone say Litecoin? You know, whenever anyone says Litecoin in the entire world, I hear it. My ears buzz. It's not true. BNB looks fine still. I really expected BNB to eat shit back here in October. BNB got hit with the biggest fine, I think, almost in the history of fines. $4 billion fine. Look at what BNB did. Binance hit with $4 billion fine. BNB barely moved. Didn't break lows. I don't know if I can be bearish on it anymore. Kind of the FUD capitulation kind of happened, didn't it? If you get a chance at 234, it might be a trade. Basically looking for what, 220 as the stop. You can get almost a 3-to-1 just back to November's high. But I think you can do better, actually. $386. You know what? We're just gonna hide this. There we go. For now. Till it's time. I think that trade could be taken. I think BNB looks fine though. It looked so bad. And now it's like, whatever. Basically, you're long here, you're just betting that it doesn't break its low. However, stop loss you would design around that is your own choice. And you're looking for it to come back to this market inefficiency at about $300. I think there's a fine risk to reward there for the right trader. Absolutely. Absolutely. Bitcoin is boring. Never forget. It is. It do be, and then undo be sometimes. Pickle Rick subscribed. What a Chad. What a effing Chad, my friend. Welcome. On a Monday. Oh, shoot. I haven't gotten any alerts. Is my alert box off? Nope. I just haven't heard them, maybe. We got Robson Pessoa. Subscribed Shaw. Subscribed Barry Da Barman over on Twitch. Cheering some bits. Thank you, my friend. Donating to Tom Crown so your YouTube friends can see your pop-up message in the stream. It didn't work. Definitely does not do a pop-up message for 10 bits, which I believe is 10 cents. That would be chaos, Barry, but I appreciate you. What's up, David Herb? Subscribed Abhi Singh. Subscribe Team Collins. Shout out to Team Collins. Subscribe Bone of His Own. Great name. Johnny O. Also subscribed. Hell yeah. Bunch of new fan members. Bunch of new faces today. Gotta love it. Love to see it. On the spice. We're just chilling. I honestly, right now, on a 0 to 10 scale of fear, I feel a 0. This sell-off is like almost too expected. Almost perfectly 10%, I think, too. Let's see. Oh, it's almost perfectly 10%. Think about that. When an asset drops 10% or pumps 10% in a short period of time, anyone using 10x or higher leverage is liquidated. 10% is a pretty magic percent for pullbacks. It's actually very mild. I was expecting maybe a 20%. You might still get it, right? I didn't really look at further downside targets because I was too waking up in the zone. Let me see something. Wow, we've already been live almost an hour. Holy shit. Shut up, phone. Nobody asked you. 38. 14%. Still doesn't get us there. I don't know. Still not bad. Just not bad. If you've been through a bull market. The problem, though, is that when you get these, and I've been saying this for a bunch of days now, but I'll say it again. When you get these, you don't know, right? You'll expect price movements like this in a bull market. However, when a bull market ends, you'll also get something that looks similar, and they can be indistinguishable. You gotta be careful. But to get a pullback like this while we're trending up, provided it holds up, there it is. Bitcoin following the doodle right to the target. Let's go. There it is. Is it gonna dump more? Or is it just gonna stop there like a good boy? Like a good boy. It's dangerous. Wow, I am playing with fire here. I do not really love what I see throwing that long up. Playing with fire. Wow. Yep, that's what I said. Please don't blindly copy what I do. You will lose money, like you probably will if you take that trade. Bitcoin breaking 41.1. Let's go. If we don't get the bounce here, don't really have much below us until that low again at 40.3 thousand. See how this goes. You know, I didn't pull up Litecoin last stream and I said I would, so I'm just gonna pull it up. It is not a vape mark. It's a figment of your imagination. Litecoin's still looking fine. Coming down from the higher high, potentially still holding the higher low at $71. Looks fine. Just on track. Daily money flow here looking pretty good. Kind of curious what a LuxAlgo got for us. Did Litecoin get that same snap as everything else? No. Interesting. Interesting. On the daily, if we look at Bitcoin or Ethereum, LuxAlgo has identified or flagged for us. Oops. Flagged for us is short. Not on Litecoin. Interesting. Right down to that support band. Pretty close, 618. Not bad. Don't see much going on there. The dollar pair, not so exciting to me, but the Bitcoin pair maybe starting to see some love. Maybe. It did hit a new all-time low at 0.06165. Bullish engulfed on the day, move back up. Let's see that on the week. Still got quite a ways to go. 6 days though. 0.0182 bullish engulf on the week. I already have an alert there. Cool. Cool. Don't have much resistance, at least on the weekly, until all the way back. 10% move to the upside. Litecoin, Bitcoin. That is potentially actually a play. Get another alert on Bitcoin? Is it the same one? Chilling there. Coin. That monthly. Like I say, guys, I believe in Litecoin. Does not mean that you should buy it. Does not mean that you should believe in it. Just something I believe in. Proof of work, decentralized blockchain. This has been a hell of a ride. Maybe a lesson on not holding bags forever. SPX alert. Maybe a lesson on not holding bags forever. Down 92% over the last like 7 years, 93%. Just praying on that bounce someday. I believe it. It's coming. What was this SPX alert? Yeah, anybody who was saying they were, I don't know, shorting the S&P earlier, they're wild child. S&P hitting higher highs here. Clear uptrend on the hour. Pretty much every time frame, pretty clear uptrend. The issue here isn't so much right where we are right now. It's 4,640 being the lower high from March of 2020 before this long, grueling, scaring everyone market. Just a little bit higher, and the S&P is targeting all-time highs. Just a little bit higher. It's about a 4% move to the upside. S&P's back at all-time high. Wow. It's pumping. A little pump. Dollar not doing much. Gold. God, rip gold. Rest in peace, gold. Your time. You had it was like a great few thousand years, but I think your time is over, gold. I don't know. Gold is, I don't hate gold. I love gold more. Gold is better than fiat, right? Just doesn't seem to do anything. Got me all excited the other day and just fell right back down. It's like a TIA quick. TIA's in price discovery, chilling right underneath its high. Looks like it did hit 1150 or that measured move target from a while ago. Now what can we do? The exact same math. The exact same maths. Damn, we still have 800 viewers. Hell yeah, guys. Keep smashing those like buttons and subscribing. Be like Robson. Be like Robson Pessoa. Let me shout you out. Same thing. If you think this is going to keep breaking higher, look for 1150 to break on TIA, and you're targeting 13 as high as 15. Nice profit-taking targets. Trade's going to be hard here because of that long wick. However, maybe 750. Could see 750 in play in the future as support. Might be a better entry if you can get it. Good luck market ordering into this. You have your moon maths. I don't really know what to do next. We're like running out of fib extensions on this thing. Oh, wow. Yeah. That fourth fib extension was very close. 1180 versus 1150. Pretty cool. Ugly ass candle. Ugly ass candle. It's like a bonk. Bonk just keeps ripping. Bonk is just ripping and rhyming in price discovery. Like many of the coins we've been looking at here, broke its all-time high in October and just continues upwards. And at this point, we have nothing except our fib extension, which is pretty spicy. This is pretty spicy because even from where it's at right now, this fib extension is a 220% gain. It doesn't mean you should rip leverage on this and try to get that. I think that's a great way to get liquidated. But for those of you already in positions, there's my target. If I had a position in this, actually, you know what? I might have some spot on this somewhere. And I will log in and I will set a limit order right in front of you guys. Proof in the pudding. Let's see if I can log in. God, I hate all these pop-ups on exchanges now. I don't care. I don't care. I don't want your pop-ups. What? Google Chrome, why are you opening tabs for me? What the? Oh. Here we go. Hold up, chat. Hold up. Making a live trade here, quick. Give me a second. Great time to join the Discord, subscribe. Check out, sign up with FEMX, our sponsor, great crypto exchange, my favorite in the space. LuxAlgo, the #1 indicator company on TradingView. They are a powerhouse. Lots of free indicators. It's not just a premium, but if you do sign up with premium, use my link. Get a discount. with our sponsor, LuxAlgo. All right. I did. Okay. Okay. Nice. My bonk is up 52%. Cool. So we're at 11. We want to make that 37. All right. Limit sell. 30. Damn it. 37. Yeah, I'm just gonna make it 35 for shits. There we go. Make it easy. What percent should I do? Half of my bonk? Why can I only buy it? What the? Ah, here we go. There it is. Done. Put my money where my mouth is. 37 and what? 135? Jesus, tedious. I don't even know if it'll let me set one. Here we go. Nope, must be less than 0.00005. Lame. I hate this when exchanges do this because my favorite style of trading is just layering orders in, and when it has like a maximum and minimum price, I can't plan ahead quite as much. Don't like that. Let me see, 0.5. Next best thing, 0.005. 0.00005. Okay, I'm done. Done. Set them limit orders live right here. And then I tried to do higher, but it wouldn't let me. Put my money where my mouth is. That's what I think is going to happen. I think a much better entry potentially for BONK is at 4.9, the previous all-time high. It's not there. It's not there yet. Might not come there. Ooh, kind of freakish. Kind of freakish. Look at how these fibs line up with the extensions. If our target is way too possibly high, never mind. Too pretty. Too pretty to be good. Too pretty to be real. Kind of like that too. Our 2 measured move. Our 0.5 right here. That previous resistance. That's actually pretty. I like that. I like that. Let's move on. I want to talk about Pith, but I guess not. This thing isn't moving. Boring. This is how I view Bitcoin on a really long time frame. Just one big chillin' vibe. Not much there. I was getting excited about H-bar. It had a really great setup. Looked just like ADA, but it hit resistance and came back down. It does look more like in the realm of Ethereum here, though. Testing that resistance as support could be a nice stair step to continue up for H-bar. But it did react to that resistance. Can't seem to break highs. It's unfortunate. Link was looking good. But, yikes. You know, down here on the day, 1336. I still think you get shots at lower prices on Link. Still think you do. But for those of us who are less patient, maybe 1330 down here at our daily, still daily close in November of 22. A fair value gap there to fill. Might be a solid hit before a move higher. Short still in play on Link. Still targeting 10, 950, whatever. XRP doing XRP things. When it went up, I said, man, if this was any coin other than XRP, I would expect it to keep going. Nope. Coming back down to the lows, probably going to hold its low. I say it's unlikely to trade below 57 cents. If it does, you're going back to like this 54 zone. Not a great look. It's not even that XRP looks bearish. It's just that it never moves. Like, it doesn't look bearish. It's still bullish, still putting higher lows in. It just takes forever. I don't know. I don't know what to say about it. Ordy chilling. No real comment for Ordy. Doge, Litecoin. Yeah. Uh-oh. Though. Getting wrecked. Getting wrecked. Not great. Not a great sign. What do we got? 45 minutes on the hour. If the hourly closes above 41,150, things are all right. But that's not a great way to start that hourly. Not going to lie. Not the best. Not the best. 820 of the most intelligent, beautiful, sexy crypto traders in the world. Love it. Love to see it on a Monday. Only 360 likes. That's a great amount of degrees, but it's not quite 420. It's all right. We get those numbers up. That'd be amazing. That'd be amazing. No, it might help if I actually read the chat sometimes. I'm so bad at multitasking, man. Alan, 420 soon, I agree. What's up, monkey? Crypto Bro says dump. Where are we dumping to, Crypto Bros? Wix, tell the future. How you doing, Lee? Yeah, you can go back. DVR is enabled. Check I&J. We did. We literally did. It's like one of the first ones we looked at. I think it's going to the all-time high. I think it's going to its previous all-time high. Unless there's more history I don't see. 25 bucks. Maybe it starts looking like TIA and BONK and these other things that have broken all-time highs and just kind of keep ripping. Got to get past that 25. Definitely going to be resistance there. Everyone who's been trapped in that coin could potentially look to get out in profit, technically. Cass, making me look bad here. Making me look bad. Kind of chilling back down to its lows. We had a great pattern building. Fell out of our ascending trend. We hit a lower high, or a lower low. Lower high. And now we've moved lower back down to that daily. Bottom of your range, 11 cents. Still, if you guys remember, I accidentally sold all of my cash. I rebought a tiny bit, but accidentally sold all of my cash right here on the Binance Perps listing. If you guys remember that stream, that was some alpha that likely you can carry some value with you throughout your trading career here. This was looking crazy good. I was up a ton %. I'm very bullish. I like Kaspa as a project and a coin, but Binance adding perps and not spot. A lot of the time, it's a good signal to look to take some profits. This is playing out well so far. Even a return to 10 cents, though, would be pretty okay with Kaspa. I can see that 10 cents right there at your golden retrace when you're 618, 10 cents. Would be stopping out this long, but that is where I'm looking to rebuy what I sold here. Might be coming. Kind of wanted to look at Solana, but not much is happening. It had some spice. Then it unspiced with the rest of the market. Yikes. Did you ever get bored at work so you start actually doing your job? Yeah, right here, right now. Butsinator. Hey Tom, why don't you partner with XCAD so you can watch your videos on their platform? I don't know what it is, man. They can sync my videos. I don't think you need to partner with them to have your videos somewhere usually. Bitcoin now below 41K. The world is over. You're in buy, Tom. Yeah, I was. Luckily, I got it out. PYR. PYR? The altcoin season started, feels like it. People, you're like, look at this, and then you open it, and it's like, this isn't interesting, and nothing's happened. Like, what? What is there to look at here? Nothing. PYR, you got resistance at $8 below you. 460, you got support. I would actually call that about $5, though. No. This didn't fill. Could look for a position there. Not a lot there, though. GALA. Yeah, GALA was moving, actually. You're forgetting about GALA. Oof. With the ugliest top. The ugliest sell-off here. GALA, that's not great. What I don't like about this is GALA breaking its low there. Struggling. Not getting bought back up. Right to the 618. Right back down. No real good target here. 2.5 cents might be kind of snarky if you even get it. 4 hour looks all right. Oh, man, I've been standing for over an hour. I like it because it kind of reminds me. It's like, hey, buddy, you've been doing this a while. Maybe you should take a seat. Did you miss Link? Yep. What's up, Dave Digital, Brian, Penny, Amp, Nicholas Arena, Dark Crash. You got water? Hell yeah. Soldier Gala for ICP, Ariel Birdie. How you doing, Ariel? Good to see you. It's been a while. Moon River? No, thank you. I don't touch on nothing with moon, safes, moons, whatever. What's up, 420 Bud Monster? I see Akil Chandon here as well. Alex Garcia, Ariel Birdie, an OG of this channel's back. Bad Baptist, Brandon E, Brian Penny, Charles P360, Craig 10C. How you doing, bro? Crypto Incursion, Crypto Polio, Dan Crypto. How you doing, man? Not so good things on Twitter. Sorry I couldn't help you out. Good luck with that, though. What's up, Dark Crash 20, Dream Tech, Fran Gonzalez, Frank, Huffy, Jack and a Crack, JB Pitt, Barbecue Gaming, Juicy Off, Lagos, Chris Pax again, Mark Smithson, NB, Noor Ali Khan, Pickle Rick, new subscriber, new viewer, Round Earth, Stainless Steve, Stick BR, Trio, Kandra, U Mujib, Vishal Salv, Zion Creative. By the way, guys, I haven't really shilled it. Join the Patreon. Links in the video description and in the live chat right now. If you're a new crypto trader or new to crypto, or you're an advanced trader looking to upgrade improve your game, sharpen your skills, especially for new people, absolutely join the Patreon. Absolutely, especially on these discounted memberships. There's nothing more helpful than what a group like this can provide you in your crypto journey. Period. I'm getting wrecked. Yikes. That's not looking good for this long. Not at all. Not at all. This is getting stopped. We'll see. We'll see. Check it out. You know what I'm feeling? Tomorrow I will be on with Miss Teen Crypto, so you should join there. And Thursday with Digital Asset News with Rob, my favorite guy. Don't miss those collabs. Wednesday, Chirpow. When you go here, click this button. Click the notify me button. Get notified. You don't want to miss it. I'm gonna be putting in a lot of work. I'm putting in some homework to make that a special one because it's the last one of the year. It's gonna be spicy. Do you think Rune can be in your portfolio? Sure, Muhammad. Why not? Why not? Join the Discord. A chirpow. It's gonna be hella fun. We did Link Jonas. Yes. We did a lot of coins. Gina, where is Gina? Wednesday. Join. Looks like this long is gonna get wrecked. If it does get wrecked, might be looking 38,150 or 38,950 here. Just our extension targets. Easy peasy. Easy to the peas. Let's see. The two, this is what's kind of interesting. Our measured move target from just the bounce today is right at the bottom of this channel. If Bitcoin breaks this low today, it very well may look to move to the bottom of this channel. Now, we do have some support at 40K like we saw at the beginning of the episode. This is from the week. To see a weekly sweep and a retracement. Pretty likely. This would be painful. Something like that. But even down here, it's just not a big deal. It's not a big deal. A lot of coins already did this. I do like that we're holding above that channel. I don't want to move back into the channel, but it is not the end of the world if we do. I just prefer not to. Here we go. Gonna get wrecked. Live getting wrecked, man. Getting wrecked. That's the way it goes. That's the way it goes. I still can't believe that I closed half of my long right here and opened a little bit of a short right here. Goes to show that sometimes in trading, the things that feel the worst are the smartest moves. They feel the worst in the moment, but they turn out to be the best moves. It's not the first time. Got a lot of live streams this week. You guys, make sure you are subscribed. Hit the bell to get notifications. I'll be live every day this week. I booked myself. Here we go. Long's wrecked. Exactly as predicted, long wrecked. Make sure you have those notifications enabled so you don't miss them. I'm going to put this in the Discord. If you haven't joined the Discord yet, I don't know what you're doing with your life. You'll get free Bitcoin airdrop to you at the end of every live stream. There are thousands of experienced crypto traders, and they're talking 24/7. It's the place to be. Make it your home. Make it your home. Not a lot happening now. I thought there'd be more spice. I am happy, though. I'm kind of happy that this sell-off happened overnight. I fear the day that we get the mega rally during US hours. That's actually what I fear. That will be likely where we see that blow off top. If you haven't watched these videos, our long form educational videos on the homepage, recommended trading videos, check them out. They're great. Highly recommend. They're like the shorts. They're in short form in the sense of the pacing, but they are much more in depth. They actually have value as opposed to kind of just being a movie trailer for a concept. So jump in the Discord. Check out those videos. Chirp How with me Wednesday. What else? Listen to this techno trance with me. Viewership's holding pretty well. I'm like skeptical if I want to like wrap up because I think this is about to break. It's so freaking close. So close. You're just gonna rip the band-aid off here? I'd prefer that. Building up some divergence, but you're gonna see that on every time frame. They're all trending down. Yeah. 38.1. All right, I have to mess with another trade here. I'll do it with you guys right in front. Yeah. $38.2. Damn, minus 2,700. I like that. Do I want to protect the 11K that we've made? Or do I want to risk it all? Find out. We'll find out. And wrecked. There it is. There's the wick. Like I said, do not blindly follow what I do. You will lose money. Not a lot of support here. Basically, Bitcoin now targeting the low. 31 minutes in this hour. About the 4 hour. An hour and a half. Oh no, we have like an hour and a half before boring. No. No. It's looking likely that that low is going to get hit now. Looking likely. 4,300. Looking incredibly likely. Break that low. You might bounce at that weekly 39.99. You might be looking for these targets. That 2 measured move target does look pretty good. Down there, 38.150. Here we go. Here we go. Are you dumping? Is this round 2? Where's the dip over, Bitcoin? There we go, round 2, baby. 40.6K. 40.5K. That's what stop losses are for. Great lesson. Great lesson. 900 watching. The viewership is climbing. I love it. What up, new fam? We're watching Bitcoin potentially take its second dump of the day. 40.6K. 40.3 being the low of last night. After failing to really retrace to the upside, hitting only 24.6. Coming back down. Broken past our 618 retracement here at 41.150 where we had this potential long that got wrecked. You fell through, stop losses hit, and at minimum now you're looking to test this low. That's looking right on deck. 40.3K might be happening right now in front of us. 900 viewers. The viewership is climbing because the corn is dumping. Are you afraid? Don't be afraid of discounts. Discounts are what you want. You just don't know what you want. It's okay. It's okay. You'll be all right. You're down here at 10K. Come to you, corn. Ryan, I wish, buddy. 10K. I don't think I'm lucky enough to ever get to buy sub 10K ever again. I don't think I'm that lucky. Oops, wrong button. Have 30 minute candle just closed. Okay. Going for any kind of retracement here? You're just chilling. $41. Meh. I don't like that. Well, man, I guess I do, but I don't like that the candle closed on the 30 minute and then we all of a sudden have a little green. Just keep it going. If you're gonna dump today, just dump. Do it while I'm live. Don't be a bitch. There we go. Z. Are you not entertained? You gotta go to work. See you. No, Y2K. Your shorts about to get wrecked. I hope so. What's up, Eddie? Eddie Aguilar. Gains gone. That's okay, brother. To get the gains in crypto, you have to go through the pains. The more the pains, the bigger the gains. This is part of the process. Golden God says, if Bitcoin goes to 10K, you guys aren't buying. You'll be running for the hills. I'll be buying, baby. But you're probably right. That's been a topic here lately. In a bull run, when you get pullbacks, when you get discounts, they're not what you want. They're not friendly. They're not fun. They're not easy. Most people end up not being able to do them. Got a point. Crypto's coming home. Zeke. Oh my God, it's dumping to zero right now. Oh my God, rug pull lol. Yeah, right, dude. It's a 10% sell-off. Bitcoin's up, I don't know, what, 200% this year? 10% sell-off. First pullback, 10% sell-off. It's over. GG. It's over. It's done. Will Bitcoin go back up? Can you tell again? Says Raptor. I believe so, man. I believe so. Nobody knows. There's lots of people who tell you they know, but they don't. They're lying. They're just snake oil salesmen. But I'll tell you the truth. Nobody knows. I think so. I don't think the high is in for this year. I've been saying that all year, and I've been right all year, technically. 41 on this. Can you get past 41? LuxAlgo here with the 30-minute short close from 42K. Closed at 40.5. Not bad. 5-minute close is short as well. 1 minute has not. God, it just looks ugly. Just looks ugly, man. What's happened to my precious corn? Guys, this is how it is. If you're feeling pain, that's probably a good thing. Like I said, the more pain, the more gain. It's just part of this process. It will not be easy. It will not be a walk in the park. It will be the hardest thing you ever do in your life. Will be to hold Bitcoin. Not many people can do it. But if you're able to do it, if you're able to have the self-control, hold through the pain, not get discouraged. So far, knock on wood, 100% of the time, 100% of people who have done it have succeeded. That could be you. That's it. All it takes is patience, self-control. Planning helps. I'd love to help you plan, help you come up with strategies. Talk about that kind of stuff in the Patreon. Man. Looked at a bunch of coins today. It's interesting they're not moving a ton on this. Kind of like waiting for the apex. This candle's making me bored. Bullish engulfing. We're going back up. Maybe. Shouldn't we all be looking for Ethereum long soon? I don't know, Brian. We talked about one today. Talked about one today. I don't know. Do you need a long? Like if you have a spot position, do you always have to be in a long? Could be. I hope that one plays out. That's such a pretty trade. All right. Well, this is what I think is happening here. Let's see. This got wrecked. Living on a prayer, baby. On a prayer. 1,000 viewers. Let's go. I keep like thinking, all right, I'll wrap it up. We'll be done. Nope. Viewership keeps climbing. I guess we keep going. You guys are tuning in, watching Bitcoin live on the edge here. On the edge. I like it. Over 420 likes. Hell yeah. Great live today. Thank you, poor Crypto Steve. Good to see you, man. Appreciate your super chat. It's okay. Take a breath. Relax. Bitcoin will be okay. To get bearish now seems wild. Maybe that means it should be bearish. I don't know. It seems wild. Finally, people have been bearish all year. To get bearish right here, just mind blowing. This is hype, all right. We got the chill music playing. Living on a prairie. Living on a prairie. But this is, I guarantee I open ICP and nothing has happened. Nothing has happened. You're at $5. Not a bad price. Not a bad price. I don't know. I don't like this. I'd like ICP at like 460. People like watching train wrecks. Well, welcome to the greatest train wreck in history. Your life now that you're in crypto. Brought to you by the whales. S&P 500 still pushing up to that all-time high, man. Well, this is pushing up to the lower high from last year, but same difference. Dollar a little weak. Doge chilling. Gold weak. Close some of these up. Oh my, 1,000 viewers. If you are here and you are not subscribed, do me a favor. We're racing Bitcoin to 100K, but we'll hit 100K first, our channel or Bitcoin. You can help us beat Bitcoin by subscribing. A lot of new viewers here today. I love it. Joe Justice. What up, my guy? Be like Joe. Wad El Sadiq. Also subscribed. Hell yeah. Welcome, fam. We're just watching the paint dry here. 1,000 live viewers just watching the paint dry. Shooting the shit. Waiting. What are my thoughts on Bitcoin pumping and XRP staying stationary? Probably something to do with XRP unlocking 1 billion coins every month forever. And just selling the price down. That would be my guess. That'd be my guess. We looked at BNB a little bit. Not a lot going on there. 1K viewing. 1,000 viewing exactly. Exactly. No. Exactly. No, now 983. Worthless. Worthless. Isn't trading like that a lot, though? You're like, I'm up 1,000. It goes down. You're like, I'm not up 1,000 anymore. Might as well just lose all of it. Revenge it. It's funny. Forgot to hit the like, but you got it. Hell yeah, Alex Wells. Hell yeah. What are some names I haven't seen before? Andy Bonin. There's a new name. How you doing, man? BM, Bobby Carter, Brian Varney, Buck Wild. I think I've seen that one. Claude I, Cooper the Staffy, Crypto Fart, nice name. Curb Shifter, Daily Dose of Compilations. Interesting. I'm not going to your YouTube channel. Who else is new? Maybe John Doe. You never know with John Doe's. Kane, Marky, Muse. My Digital Journal. I can't remember if I've heard that one. My Crypto Goods. Hetero Cars and Crypto. Nice. What's up, guy? Saucy Doe. I like that name. Slavko Kopik. A lot of new names. I love it. I love it. I don't care if Bitcoin's going up or down. All I care about is that we got new people here. What's the best coin for long-term holding? Bitcoin, baby. BTC all the way. All the way. Every way. What up, Warren? How you doing, bro? Just my style, yo. Ed Most. Awesome stream as always. Doesn't feel like it from my side, but I'm okay with it. There we go, Cooper. Subscribing. I like that. $10. Jordan C. This is what we're here for. Love it. Love it. I guess Bitcoin's gonna do nothing now, right? Had a really spicy open to this hourly, and now it's just doing nothing. We don't have divergence here on our hourly lows. Cooper. We don't. I would like to see it. Don't have it on our 15-minute lows. We don't have it on our 30-minute lows. Don't really have divergence at all. I need kind of not what I was expecting. On the 2 hour we do. RSI now lower than price was. Yet price is not broken lower. So you start seeing it on the 2 hour. It's not bad. Probably visible on the 3 then. Yep. On the 4, maybe? Kinda. Depends how you read it. That's interesting. 3 hour, like right at the cusp of rolling over too. Not ideal. Lux giving us the flip from support to resistance signal. Don't like that. There it is. There it is. All right. You know what's happening. Bitcoin is just waiting for me to end the stream, and I keep not ending it. It's all right. Make sure you join the Discord and check out the Patreon in your free time. Sign up with FEMX and LuxAlgo, our sponsors, the #1 crypto exchanges and trading tools in the biz, mostly because I use them and trust them enough to work with them. I don't just work with anybody. I get a lot of offers. Jump in the Discord, guys. Do it. Join the chat. We're going to be live. I'm going to be live with Miss Team Crypto tomorrow. We got Chirpow Wednesday. It's a packed week, guys. You're going to see a lot of Crown content. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell, and in the Discord to keep up with our multitude of streams this week. I look forward to seeing you. I'm going to go smoke a bowl. You should do the same. Remember today, if you get hype, if you get fear, if you feel emotional, just take a break, walk away, do something else. Come back. Promise you. Promise you don't need to make a decision in that moment, and you'll be glad you didn't. That is a lesson I've learned over and over again. This is just a little blip on the radar. Remember, zoom out to the longer time frames. Look at the monthlies. Look at the yearlies. When you start feeling vibes about trends, it's all going to be okay. This is part of the game plan. You're going to make it. If you stick with our fam, you'll make it. Promise. Crown out.